A federal appeals court has just blocked the construction of a new ballroom at the White House. This ruling halts a massive project and triggers an immediate legal battle headed for the Supreme Court. It is a direct clash over government spending and executive authority. We have the details on the court's decision and what happens next. The plan to add a luxury ballroom to the executive residence sparked a legal battle over historic preservation and federal spending. It began when the administration moved to break ground on the project, facing immediate pushback from legal challengers. A lower court initially halted the work, but the administration fought to keep the project moving. Now, an appeals court has stepped in to block construction once again. This creates a direct collision course between the executive branch and the judiciary. With all lower options exhausted, the fight over the ballroom is now headed to the highest court in the land. A U.S. appeals court has officially blocked the construction of a proposed ballroom at the White House. This ruling halts all work on the project immediately, following a previous lower court decision that stopped construction. Donald Trump has responded to the block, stating he will escalate the legal battle directly to the Supreme Court. The move sets up a high-stakes judicial showdown to determine if the construction can proceed. This latest court action ensures that no further ground will be broken until a final review is completed. This ruling is a significant legal setback for the administration. By halting construction, the appeals court has effectively frozen the project until a higher authority weighs in. Now, the battle moves to the Supreme Court. This is no longer just about a ballroom. It is a test of executive authority versus judicial oversight. If the High Court sides with the administration, work resumes immediately. If not, the project is dead in the water. Watch for the Supreme Court's docket in the coming days to see how quickly this is fast-tracked. A federal construction project is halted, heading to the Supreme Court. What do you think happens next in this high-stakes battle? Subscribe for updates.